Welcome my YouTubers. Today we're going to be making Luigi's famous frittata. Here I put 12 eggs, there's actually 13, the baker's dozen, into this bowl. We're going to whisk them up. Is that how you say it? Whisk or whisk? The chefs out there, how do you say it? Talk to me. Alright, so that's in there. You could either put milk or water. I'm just going to use nice ice cold water just to make it a little bit more solidified, so when it's cooking in, that was probably about a quarter of a cup of ice cold water. Between a quarter and a half a cup. It's up to you. It doesn't really matter. When it's in the oven, it's going to be cooking off anyway. Depending on the moisture. Not all of it, but most of it will cook off. But at the same time, it thins out the egg batter here. It's not really a batter, but it thins out the eggs. So, see? Boom. So there you have that. Now that is 13 eggs. We're going to use a fairly good sized pan today, or Pyrex. I think this thing is probably older than me. But here's what we're going to be using today. I just washed it, but you know, this stuff you just forget it. It bakes on there, and it's like, I don't know, it's like concrete. So we're going to put this over here. Actually, I'm not going to put that there just yet. You got to spray the pan first. You got to spray the pan. Okay, it's simple. Just boom. Like you're spray painting, maybe graffitiing your neighbor's house, his car, I don't know. Somebody's face, somebody you don't like, I don't know. But, okay. So that is that. That's what you do. You get the eggs over here. I already pre-cut everything as to not drag the video on. So we can kind of get it together, give you all the ingredients, and blow right through this, and you guys will get to enjoy the finished product. So I have one medium-sized squash that I cut up. Guys, try to slice it thin, so when it's in there, eggs cook quickly. When this is in there, you want it to, you know, get soft and cook, you know, evenly with the rest of the ingredients. I also sliced up tomatoes. Tomatoes are already, you know, they're already soft anyway. And I put some peppers, some red peppers. You use hot peppers. These are not hot peppers, they're just regular peppers. And I put 2 types of onion. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some of these onions down. Okay, just boom, throw them in like that. Alright. So the ingredients today is squash, tomatoes, onion. There's a total of a whole onion here. You know, our thing is to try to just take what you have in your refrigerator and to make something out of nothing. And that's what we're doing. So, okay, we got that there. I'm going to put a little bit of egg in here. Just try to put it around there. All right, so you want to just get your pan so it covers the entire bottom. Okay, make sure it covers the bottom of your Pyrex. You can also use an aluminum pan or metal pan. Whatever you have is fine. Just make sure that you coat it with some non-cooked spray. I use coconut spray because, I don't know, they say it's good for you, but they may not say that tomorrow. Okay, so now we're going to put some squash. Put the squash in there generously. You know, this is a great summertime dish. If you're old school Italian, you have a garden, or even if you just have a garden, you know, you can use ingredients from your garden. And just you kind of want to cover like you're laying it, like you're making eggplant parmesan, which is another one of my favorites. Okay, some tomatoes. Actually, you know what? The tomatoes I want to put on top so it looks pretty. So a little bit of peppers. Peppers in there. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Now we're going to put, you know what we're going to do, guys? We're going to do this today. We're going to put a little bit of this cheese that I picked up from the store. And we're going to put this in between. You know, some people like to put it in there and mix it all in. Well, listen, it's going in the same place. Just put the cheese in there. Shut your mouth, put the cheese in there, and move on to the next step, okay? Boom, there we go. Okay, look at that. This, and I kid you not, this is going to be delicious. Absolutely. This might be a little bit too much of an onion here. Well, Maybe, guys. I don't know. All right. Some red onion. Some more squash. I think I'm going to have some leftover ingredients. But the good thing is about the ingredients that are left over, don't throw them away. If you could just simply put them on a skillet on top of your stove, gas, electric, whatever you have, really doesn't matter. And saute a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, or non-stick spray, and just saute them up. You can either eat them or put them in the refrigerator for, you know, another meal during the week, or turn it into a side dish. So we're using all this. That looks great. That looks absolutely wonderful. So there goes the rest of the eggs. Okay. You guys are probably saying, hey pal, I think you probably could have used 1.5 dozen of eggs, maybe 2 dozen. No, we're not going to do that because these eggs are going to cook up and it's going to be very nice. So put the tomato on there. Okay. We have no more tomatoes. We do have some peppers though. Dress it up, even out the reds. So it is, as you can see, it is a summer dish. But look how happy that looks. Look how colorful and vibrant that looks. For a winter dish, everybody's miserable right now. Oh, they're cold, it's snowing, and this and that. That looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, could put a little actually grated cheese underneath, so it actually goes into the egg batter. The egg wash, no. Egg mix, and then the rest of this cheese, boom, just throw it all in there, right? Throw it in, throw it all in, get it in. Okay, that is going to be delicious. When that comes out, it's going to be perfect. Now, over here, we set the oven to bake at 375, okay? Oven's at 375. You can cover this, or you can not cover it. I think I'm going to actually cover it to kind of hold the steam in there and make those vegetables soft, because I don't really care to eat hard vegetables. I'd rather be a little, on the mushier side, with a consistency, with the rest of the vegetables with a similar consistency as the egg. So we're going to throw these in there. You can use aluminum foil. I'm just going to put a sheet pan on top of this, okay? And I forgot, a little bit of salt. A little bit of sea salt, it's better for you than regular salt. It's not, no iodine or any of that garbage in there. Okay, so this thing, I mean, I don't know if they have organic cheese or not, but if they do, is this? No. This thing's really healthy for you. Other than the cheese, if you wanted to skip out on the cheese and leave the cheese out, you can absolutely do that. I like it with the cheese. It gives it a little bit more flavor, and plus I just love cheese. Okay guys, so we're gonna pop this in the oven, okay? It's on bake at 375, and we're going to let that stay in there for probably about a good 20 minutes, okay? Let it stay in there for 20 minutes, then you check it, and when we come back, we're gonna have a finished product, and we're gonna taste it, and we're gonna see how good it really is. All right guys, we'll see you in a bit. I think something may be finished. Huh? Should we check it out? Let's go investigate. All right. It smells simply amazing, doesn't it? Yes, it does indeed. All right. Whoa. Okay, look at that. Huh? Can you see how it kind of blew up like a balloon? See how that cooks right up and rises? There's absolutely no need to put that many eggs, a dozen in a pan like this, which I would tell you how big it is, but I'm going to guess because it's hot as hell. So it's probably about 9 by 14, I'm guessing, 9 by 13. Okay guys, so the moment of truth. Let's check it. Woo. Look at that. Oh, man. Look at that. All right. cheesy, delicious looking. I bet it tastes amazing. I'm not a big end piece kind of guy. I kind of want the middle because, you know, I got to be difficult. All right, look at this. That looks freaking amazing. Right. Ah, look at that. It's cooked to absolute perfection. Now I get to burn my mouth. My friend Freddie, who called me out. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Freddie Russo, who called me out last time. You didn't try it. You stuck me right out. Now, Fred, I'm going to taste it. And I bet it's going to be wonderful. In fact, I may have to run some over to your house. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Cooked perfectly. Look at that. All right. See, I want a little squash on there. I want some onion in there. I want it all. Get it all in there. Okay. Oh my God, terrible. Absolutely terrible. Get this shit out of here. No. This, guys, this is awesome. This is very, very good. It's perfect any time of year. But, oh, well. Damn, that's hot. Okay, guys, this is Italian frittata. What did we call it? Luigi's famous frittata. Okay, make it. Add some comments. Let me know how you turned out with it, how you did with it. If you liked it, you didn't like it, it was hard or whatever. We're gonna put the ingredients at the end of this video. So I don't know, guys. Go cook it up, enjoy it, eat it up, and I don't know, just think of me when you're tasting this deliciousness. Delicious. Perfect. Bon appetit, my paisans. Anthony, that was for you.